Hello family, it's another day to make money online with your smartphone. So if today happens to be the first time coming across a video of mine on YouTube, kindly subscribe because I'm going to give updates on how to make money online using your smartphone. Subscribe in order to be part of this particular family. Like this video if you enjoyed the video, and also share for others to make money as you enjoy this particular video. So let's start everything right over here. So before we start this video, there is a need for you to register for an account in order to be a member of this particular family. So in order to register for an account, check the description. There is a registration link there for you to register an account. Kindly register, and I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money by referring friends right over here. Just make money by referring friends right over here. Before you start everything on this particular video, you can see the link in the description. When you register an account, this is the very first thing you're going to see on the landing page of the link. As you can see, you have VIP 1, VIP 2 up to VIP 10, which comes with its own quota. So let's talk about each VIPs and how you're going to earn a lot of money right over here. So the VIP 1 quota is 8 USDT and the daily income is 2 USDT each and every day. For VIP 2, it is 80 USDT, which the daily income is 21 USDT. Talking about the VIP 3, the credit is 280 USDT and the daily income is 74 USDT. For the VIP 4 quota, it is 800 USDT, of which the daily income is 270 USDT up to VIP 10. So before knowing the right VIP that you want to register or recharge, I'm going to show you how you can recharge for an account right over here. So in order to recharge for each and every VIP, there is a need for you to go to the home page and you can see the recharge icon right over here. Simply tap on it. Right over here, you're going to see the method of recharge, with which you can see the TRC20 USDT, TRS BEP20 USDT, and BNB. Simply tap on the preferred one. So I'm going to use the TRC USDT 20. And as you can see, a QR code will be given to me and a wallet address as well. So I'll simply copy the wallet address in order to make payments. As you can see right over here, I've already made payments and I'm still enjoying from this particular platform. So you can see I did 8 USDT for the tutorial sake. So in order to earn on this particular website, it's very simple and it's very easy. You simply scroll down and you can see the task right over here. Simply tap on the task in order to open the page for you to perform tasks each and every day to make money right over here. So you can see in progress the VIP 1 and the price and the income right over here. So tap on to complete and it will load for you to make your daily income right over here. So I'm going to my account and going to show you how the income is right over. So you can see it was 8 and now it is 10 right over here, which is showing that this platform is currently paying. So I'm going to withdraw to show you how this website works and how you can withdraw your funds into your external wallet. So in order to withdraw, what you have to do is simply tap on the withdraw icon in order to withdraw funds into your external wallet. So as you can see, the withdrawal method is TRC20. You enter the amount you want to withdraw, and I'm going to my external wallet to copy my wallet address right over here. So after copying my wallet address, I'll move back, then I'll paste the withdrawal address right over here and I'll enter my password. Then afterwards, I'll tap on withdrawal and the withdrawal will be successfully initiated. So tap on confirm and let's go. So you can see withdraw successfully right over here. So this is not the only way that you can make money on this platform, okay? You can make a lot of money by referring friends on this platform. And let me show you how you can refer your friends to this platform as well. So as you can see below here, you can see team right over here. So tap on team and you're going to see the registration link and the invite code right over here. It's very simple for you to get a lot of people on board, for them to register your link to make a lot of money. I'm going to show you the commission that you're going to get when you refer friends to this platform, and it is super amazing. As you can see, the referral link is right over here. Simply copy it, be sharing it to your friends on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and other social media platforms in order to make a lot of income right over here. So I'm going to explain the levels of commission right over here. We have level 1, level 2, and level 3. So for the level 1, you're going to get a commission of 15% from each and every level 1 user you invite on this platform. For level 2, it's 2%, and for the level 3, it's 1%. So I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof from this website after everything. So as you can see over here, 2 USDT has been added to my account successfully, which is showing that this platform is currently paying and it is worth investing. So thank you very much for watching this video, and always bear in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. I only share stuff that works perfectly for me on my YouTube channel. Let's meet on my next video.